Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and I am Sue, and this is my Plushie Wednesday. Finally, I got to this today. It's hard for me to get enough stuff done to do a video on Wednesdays. I'm a pretty slow crocheter, mainly because it kills my hands. My hands were so sore last night that when I went to bed, I had such pain in both my hands, right in here, this area. Oh, I've never had that at nighttime before. So I need to not do so much all at once. That's what I learned from that one. Old hands, I guess. But I managed to get a few things done for you, so I thought I would come on and show you. I'm really happy I finally got that pink yarn from Joann's. I had to order it online. I think the shipping cost me more than the yarn did. No, it didn't, but pretty darn close. But it's the only way I could get it. I went to Joann's again today. They did have some posh yarn, but of course not the color, that pink color that I was waiting for. But this tells me that the rush is over and that maybe it'll be available more readily now in the future. I'll have all 15 colors, and I don't use it all the time. I like it. I like it a lot. I like that it doesn't shed. I like that it doesn't break. It's not as soft and fluffy as Parfait Chunky, but man, I'll tell you, working with that Parfait Chunky, as much as I love the feel and look of it, it is a bear to work with. Oh, not happy about that at all. Not happy about that at all. But what are you going to do? I signed up for a craft fair. It's very small, only 12 vendors. It's in a hotel, which is cool because it's indoors. So that's a plus for me. I don't have to bring tables. I don't have to bring chairs. I don't know about tablecloths. I'll have to ask, but I'll bring my tablecloths anyhow. And runs from 11 till 4. So I'm a little skeptical because it's so small. This is only the second year they've been doing them, but they do 2 every month. So it's not like they don't have any of these. It's 8 vendors inside, 4 vendors outside, so only 12 vendors. So we'll see. My first, well, actually both craft fairs that I did in the fall were small, and I was happy with my results. I'm not looking to get rich. This is not a job for me. This is a hobby that I can make the money to buy more yarn with. And I'm happy. I'm happy. So that's my big news. That's my big news. I finally signed up for another market. So looking forward to that. And that's in March. So it gives me time to get things made. I'll take everything I do have left over and put it out on the bed in my guest room. And as I make new things, I'll put it there. That's what I did for my fairs before, and it worked really well for me. It gave me an idea on how much I had, what I wanted to make, how much more I had to make, if I didn't have to make much more. I could see everything laid out, and that works out really nicely. So let's get to a few of my makes. So Robin from Knotting Hook Crochet did a video, I forget when, Sunday, I think, and she did a tutorial on how to make little tiny turtles. Well, I had to make those. I love making turtles. One of my favorite things to make. And I thought, well, these would be perfect for little $5 items because I didn't have anything that would fall into that category except for Christmas decorations, you know, ornaments. So I didn't have anything for now. I have 10, 12, 15, but not 5. And these will work perfectly. So look how cute these little guys are. Look at that little turtle. How cute is that? I made the eye a little different than her, but I think we all tend to do that. You know, we got our own little touch to them, but there's one. And I've made all of these with my Dollar Tree yarn that you can't get anymore because they don't have the chenille yarn, or not around here anyhow. So that's one. This is the second one. And I like the bright colors. They're cute. They're so cute. They're so little. But I really like them a lot. This is my last one. And I'll make a bunch of these to bring to the fair. And it's good for the kids. You know, the kids come around and mommy and daddy gave them $5 to spend something and they want to buy a toy. Well, now I'll have something that they can get. So let me know what you think about those. I'll put a link to Robin's video in the description if you want to make little turtles. They're cute and they don't take long to make, and I really enjoy them a lot. I don't know if you remember, but I made a little dog a while ago with velvet yarn in brown. Well, I just liked them so much, I had to make another one. So I made a blue one. Look at how cute. I love this little pattern. It's a lot of fun to make. It's easy. It's no-sew, except for the muzzle. It's the only thing. Well, I embroidered the nose and stuff, but it's so cute with his big ears. So, so cute. I actually messed up on this. I probably shouldn't admit it, but I did. I used the wrong crochet hook size. But that's okay. He came out a little bit bigger than my other one. That's all. That's the only difference. I have no holes in it or anything because I used a bigger hook. But worked out just fine. Excuse my dog going crazy. There must be a squirrel in the yard. And he goes nutso for the squirrels. All right. I got chosen again to test for Crochet with Kelsey. And this time, last time I did the Schnauzer, remember? This time she asked for testers to do a rabbit. And I love this little thing. And just in time for Easter too. So I got on the list to test, and I wanted to do something different. I didn't want to do a white rabbit. I didn't want to do an off-white rabbit. I didn't want to do a gray rabbit. I just wanted something different. So I went looking at my yarn, and I love the Parfait Bloom yarn with all the colors. I did a giraffe in that a while ago. I don't know if you remember. It had oranges in it, and it was really pretty. And that sold at my first market. And, excuse me, I have a frog in my throat. I didn't make any. I don't know how it got in there. Anyhow, so I decided on Bloom and to make the rabbit a little bit different, make her different colors. And I think she turned out looking just like an Easter rabbit. So tell me what you think. Look at her. Is it too cute? And I put a pink tail on her instead of a white cotton tail just to bring out the pink in the yarn. Look at those ears. I get such a kick out of her. So since my market is a couple of weeks before Christmas, I will make a couple more of these. And I just love them. Just love them. Is she adorable? Look at that face. Look at that face. Little whiskers. Pretty pink eyes to match. Love her. Love her, love her, love her. And then I will put a link for Kelsey in the description as well. The pattern will be released next Wednesday, February 7th, if any of you are interested in making that cute little rabbit. It's adorable. Was not difficult to make. There is sewing. You have to sew on the feet and the arms, the head, and the ears. So just know that. But it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It was an easy pattern to follow. I liked it a lot. And I've gotten my second of 4 fairies finished. It's so cute. Wait till you see her. She's so cute. I'm trying to fix her up a little bit so she looks perfect for you. Because the hair messes up easy. But anyhow, here she is. And this is little Miss Summer. Isn't she adorable? I love her pigtails. Look at that. So, so cute. Love that. And I literally just got done making her. That's what I was waiting for. And that's why I'm so late putting up my video today. Because I really wanted to get her finished. I love the yellow and green. And this green is not Parfait Chunky. It is a Hobby Lobby. I can't remember the name of the kind of yarn it is, but boy, it's nice, and it did not fall apart and shed like Parfait Chunky. It was very, very nice to work with. But what do you look at that face? How can you not love that little face? I love her hair. Reminds me of my granddaughter when she was little, with her little pigtails on the side. So cute. And of course she has her fairy wings. So cute. So, so cute. So I have winter and summer made. And now I have spring and fall to do. And I'll have all 4 seasons of fairies made. So let me know what you think of little Miss Summer. I think she's adorable. I think she's adorable. And she's supposed to be like a flower, summer flower, and these are leaves. So cute. I love her. I really do. I really do. And that's it. That's all I've gotten done. Oh, I really, really, really need to cut back on crocheting and spend some time here in my craft room, because it's a disaster and I need to straighten it out. It's bugging me. I did some yesterday, not a lot, but I need to do more. I need to do more. And just crazy things. You'd think you're retired, you're home every day, you got all the time in the world to do things. Wrong. No. It seems like something comes up constantly. So my best time to crochet is late at night. Then I'm up till 2 o'clock in the morning crocheting. Not a good thing. Not a good thing. But I hope you like my makes for this week. I think the little turtles are just super adorable. My little blue dog, love him. And that bunny is too darn cute. Too darn cute, if I say so myself. And Summer, the fairy, she came out really cute. I really, really like her a lot. I love those pigtails. I'm gonna show you again. Look at those pigtails. So cute. So cute. And these are, let me see, what do I have to sew on this? The only thing I had to sew on were the wings. Everything else is crocheted into the pattern, which is great. Great. So anyhow, that's it. Grumpy's on his way to get dinner for us. And I got nothing else. I got nothing else. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic rest of your week. And until next week, see ya. Bye.